Today I will show you the repair of 3 devices with a common problem. Their boards are covered with a silicon sealant and according to standard instructions they cannot be repaired. But I will show you that repair is possible. The first case. This is a 3-phase inverter in which the standby power supply has failed. Components are not accessible. To remove the sealant I use a wooden stick and solvent. It is very important not to damage the components and their labels. After the sealant was removed, I unsoldered the radiator with a transistor and the transformer. As a result, it becomes clear what had happened. There was a short circuit between transformer terminal and the radiator. You can see traces of melting on radiator and burning tracks on board. I restored the tracks, feedback components and replaced the chip. Now the device works. Repair is finished. The second case. In this device, the power transistors, diode bridge and wires burned out. There are also burned tracks. As in the first case, I cleaned the board from the sealant and replaced all of faulty components. After that, I installed a new diode bridge on the radiator. After 8 months, this device was brought to me for repair again, but for a different reason, namely to replace the power cable. Under outdoor operation conditions, the fasteners were covered with corrosion, but the device itself is completely functional. The third case. The standby power supply burns out. Access to the components is difficult. I remove the sealant in order to change the control chip. In front of your eyes, the device comes to life while I'm installing chip. Repair is complete. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoy this video, like it and subscribe on my channel.